Alright, welcome back everyone. Your numismatic archaeologist here. Ready for another box of nickels. Hopefully we find something good this time. So, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, well what do you know? On the first roll, we have our first find. In 1947, S. And that is a better date for that year at about, let's see, 24.7 million. So, pretty good. Hopefully that's a sign of things to come. We'll see you guys in a second. Alright, roll number 3. We have another find. 1940 out of Denver. Alright, let's see what happens next. Alright, so we have our first foreign find. 5 cent, 1985 Canadian. So, alright. Let's see what happens next. Alright guys, we're back. About 10 rolls in. We have a semi-good find. Actually, it's a pretty good one. 2009 Philadelphia. Now, these are low mintage, just like the Denvers, but the Philadelphia is lower mintage than the Denver. So I'm not exactly sure of the count, but it is low. So always keep these, and I'll see you guys on the next couple rolls. Alright, so on the very next roll, we have a find. 1947 out of Philadelphia. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, we have another find. 1948. And that one's going to be out of Denver. So, alright, we're going to keep going on these rolls. Alright, so the next roll, looks like the finds are finally picking up. 1946 out of Philadelphia. Alright, hopefully the next few rolls will give you some more. Alright, welcome back everyone. After being almost halfway through the box, we end up with a find, and it's a good one. We have a 1939. And let's see if it has a mint mark. Yes, it does. That is a 1939S. That is a key date. I believe it's around 6 million minted. So that is a great find. And so far so good. We'll see you on the next few rolls. Alright, so on the very next roll, we got a 1947 and a 1940 out of Philadelphia. So let's keep going and see what else we get. Alright, we have our very next find. 1958, and this one's out of Denver. Alright, let's see what happens next. Alright, so we got another older find. 1958, and this one's out of Denver. Alright, let's keep going. We're back, so about 6 rolls later, we get a find. 1959, and this one is out of Denver. Alright. Let's keep going and see what else we find. Alright, so we have yet another 1959. This time this one's actually pretty decent shape compared to the other ones. And this one is Denver. So, alright, let's keep going. We're getting close to the bottom. Alright guys, I'm back. Look at this. I spotted another oldie. That is a 1955. I'm hoping it's a Philadelphia because I need that one. No, it's a Denver. Alright. Let's keep going here. Alright everyone, I'm back. Very next roll. I'm starting here because I think I spot an oldie just by the coloration here. So this could be a silver. What do we have? Yes, that is a silver, I can tell. First year silver, 1942. And we have a San Francisco. That's great. So we're going to keep going, see if anything else is in this roll, and I'll bring you back when I have a find. Alright guys, I just spotted this one. So we got another find. This one is a 1946, and it's out of Philadelphia. So, alright, we got 6 more rolls to go. Let's see what else we can find. Alright everyone, on the 6th to last roll, looks like we got another oldie. That is a 1941, and we have a mint mark. That is San Francisco. Alright, let's see if we can find anything else. Alright, very next roll. Looks like we have an oldie. Let's see what we have. Alright, that is a 49. Yes, it's a 49. And we have a mint mark. That is a Denver. Alright, just a couple more rolls left. Let's see what we can get. Alright, so we finished with that last roll. Nothing of interest. Box is empty. We're going to go ahead and start with the small recap. Alright everyone, we're back with the recap. Let's start at the beginning. We have our key date 39S. That was a great find. We have a 1940 out of Denver and a 1940 out of Philadelphia. We have a 41S, a 42 silver out of San Francisco, two 1946 out of Philly. We have 247 out of Philly, 147 San Francisco. We have a 48, and this one's out of Denver. We have a 49 out of Denver. So now we have a 55 out of Denver, two 58s out of Denver, two 59s out of Denver, and we have a foreign find, Canadian 1985 5-cent, and two 2009s, both Philadelphia and Denver mint. Both are low mintage. I suggest keeping these because they're worth a few bucks. The Philadelphia mint has a lower mintage than Denver. So all in all, great hunt. We got our silver. We have our key date. So this has actually been a pretty good box. And we'll see you on the next hunt.